Hi, today I'm making a holiday brunch frittata, and I'm going to begin with 5 eggs. I'm also using 1/8 of a cup of whole milk and 1/8 of a cup of heavy cream. I actually add Italian seasoning to taste, as well as a liberal amount of black pepper. And so that black pepper is probably about maybe a tablespoon of black pepper, and salt to taste. Okay, I'm going to mix that and set it aside. I use cubed ham as well as green bell peppers, uh, yellow and green zucchini and mushrooms, as well as green onion. And so that's all those ingredients together are about a half a cup each, with the exception of the green onion, which is just 2 stalks, and the fresh oregano, which is basically about 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano. And so I think the fresh oregano actually makes the frittata. The fresh herbs just make, the egg dish better. I add cheddar and mozzarella cheese to my taste, so whatever you like. I'm cooking the vegetables, just sauteing them lightly, and then transferring them into a greased casserole dish. And a greased casserole dish works best. I cover it, and I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. You want to keep an eye on it because it can burn. But once it's done, it's ready to serve with your favorite other holiday brunch dishes, and it's a favorite in our house.